Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo, and I just found the biggest Dollar Tree I've ever been in. Let's go shopping. So today I'm a little bit out of the way, not necessarily in my area, but oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I just went to the largest Dollar Tree I've ever been in, and can I tell you how organized they are? I complimented the manager and the workers. They have this store in ship shape. It is just so nice to shop here today. So I'm just going to give you a quick little look around the store. Now this is only half the store. The rest of the store, which is the bigger part, is behind me. So today we're here to look at the decor that they have out for summer. They have a bunch of spring items, but we're not going to spend too much time on those because I want to get to that back wall where they have tons of things for summer, from decor, Aloha, all of the nautical items, as well as patriotic stuff. Just want to give you guys a look at each aisle, how well it's stocked. I have been in a big Dollar Tree once before, but it was not even stocked half as much as this one. And oh my goodness, let me know if you'd like to come back here because I'll make the trip. It was a whole lot of fun to be in here shopping. I'm very tempted by the craft aisle, but let's start out with all of these summer Aloha items that they're putting out. Now they're going to be putting out Mother's Day as well as graduation, so we can definitely revisit those items. These look like they're sort of queued up for Mother's Day. I love these plastic plates. They have all of the fruit plates and napkins hitting the shelves as well. So if you have any summer celebrations, you may want to grab those now. So let's start off with the lei aisle. They have all the beautiful leis as well as the hula skirts. Those are great for DIYs, but I wanted to show you some of the fun novelty items that they're putting out, from glasses to cups. These make great party favors if you have any birthdays or celebrations during the summer. I have used these down below myself for birthday parties. Now over here, they're putting out some of their signage, lots of different designs to choose from, lots of bright colors, and this one caught my eye in the watermelon. I think that is really cute. They also have it in an orange, and then back here a welcome to the islands in the round. These are great standalone pieces of decor or something that you can always add to a wreath or larger item. Now they have their nets, they have a lot of paper signs as well, and then lots of tinsel items. I thought this fish was really cute, but this palm tree is so nice. It's not coming across on camera, but it is super nice in person. They also have the palm tree balloon weights and some of their tinsel covered pineapples in pink as well as gold. They brought back the flamingos in 2 different colors of pink, and I think this item is new this year. Now, I'm not going to say that they get an A for execution on these gnomes, but they're pretty funny that they are summer snorkel and tropical theme. They also have the pineapples like they do every year. Now I'm turning around to show you guys all of the nautical items that they have in this store. I think that this is a beautiful collection. They did this last year, and it is perfect for the coastal lovers as well as those who are fans of blue. They have lots of little plant picks that you could use, metal decor for outside, as well as flags. I thought that these organizers with the theme on them were really nice. They also have the little bottles for sand collection, perfect to have on vacation. They have some napkins and some new iridescent shell trays. They also have some lanterns. Now these are pretty big for $1.25. I'm finding them in 2 colors. Wondering if they also come in white because I found them in the dark blue as well as the light blue. They are battery operated and batteries are not included. They also have some nautical rope standing signs in both home and love. These could also go western, and lots of glass items, from bud vases to these that have a handle. They're more of like a votive holder or a luminary. Down here I found some really cool orbs covered in rope in the white as well as the jute. These would be great bowl filler or just in addition to a centerpiece. They have tons of dishware to go along with this theme, from glasses to mugs. And I love this edition. They did coastal picks, and some of these look a little bit like coral. I think that's a great addition to this collection. They also have some glass pieces with shells on top, and this is a great buy for any time of the year. I love this rope with the piping in white. Those are great for tying off little presents any time of year. They also have the starfish that are quite large. Now these are plastic. They do come in the white, the blue, and the red. Not as many white on the shelf. Those are probably getting snatched up already. They do have lots of little wooden pieces, but I want to point out these hangers. I think these would be great if you had a nautical themed bathroom for towel storage. Now up above, I'm finding some wire items in both a shell as well as a fin, and these mermaid wooden pieces are so beautiful. Now, if you have a little one, she loves Little Mermaid, you may want to check these out and DIY some room decor, maybe some pieces for parties. They also have some small wooden pieces to choose from. I really like that little seahorse, and these are the larger items down here. They also have the anchors, which are the same plastic as the starfish. And speaking of starfish, they have them on an anchor and a shell down here, and a sand dollar stepping stone comes in both the shell as well as the starfish. And speaking of fish, they have these wooden fish. They come in the natural as well as the whitewash. A little bit of twine on them. These couldn't be any cuter. They also have some wooden hangers for DIYing. They have some nautical rope. They have these luminaries that are wooden. These would be a great summer project for the kids, for them to pick out and then paint. They do have little LED lights in them. Down below, I found some more little starfish. They are plastic, and some tin bins. So this one is Meet Me at the Sea. They also have this one with a mermaid tail or fish fin. They also have some canvases. So if you're looking to put together a nautical look in a room, they have some wall pieces of decor. They also have these seashells down here that are ceramic. And oh my goodness, look at this little rope bin. I think this might need to come home with me. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Okay, now let's switch gears. We know what's around the corner. All of the patriotic holidays. They're putting out some signs. So I'm starting on an end cap. This one in Welcome is my favorite with all the sweet treats. They have a few stacked down here that they're just about to put out. And then they have some garden gnome picks. Those caught my eye because they were right next to the patriotic ones, including this little guy with America. They also have their patriotic tins, and I found these ceramic pieces that were perfect for the nautical decor. Now over here, we're going to start on all of their patriotic red, white, and blue items out for summer 2023. The first thing that caught my eye were these wind spirals. I found them in 3 versions at my store. They also have these signs that were sort of tucked away on a bottom shelf. Now I'm excited about this. This is a fabric nylon bunting. I think that is great. They also have out chair covers. So cute. I really think these are nice for the price. And can you believe they have a whole flag kit? Now the pole is plastic, so you know you get what you pay for, but still for $1.25 you cannot beat it. They also have the fun spinners, and this is hilarious. This is an oversized solo cup. They do come in red, white, and blue. I think these would be great with pots of flowers in them. You could use them to serve your chips. A million different ways to use these, including centerpieces. I think these are great. Now over here, they have more novelty items, things that you're going to want for the big day. They also have this tinsel that comes in wire rounds. I've used that in DIYs to create victory crowns. I'll have that DIY linked for you guys. They are a great way to celebrate the 4th, and oh my goodness, every little one wants one. They do have lots of tinsel items and lots of bows. I'm also finding some of this mesh, some ribbon, some patriotic gnomes. They do have the star wreath form, and then these sets of 2 star bowls. That beats out the Target dollar spot by far. They have some fun tinsel little pets down here. They even add a patriotic unicorn. And then out of the corner of my eye, I was seeing all of the balloon weights. I saw these signs. Now these are truly a nice quality. These are super cute. They have 4 to choose from. They have these 2 and then these 2. I really like the guy holding the rocket, and I'm saying this is probably Target dollar spot quality. You've been warned. They also have some light up headbands, and these are more lightweight garden stakes in the gnomes. They have 2 in each pack, so you get 2 for $1.25. They have some really nice bows out this year. I think that they're a lot nicer than they have been in the last few years, and I wanted to give you guys a view of the larger tinsel items. Let me know down below what you'd like to come back and see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.